Okay, today I was just going to cook up some steak, so I'd show you how I'd make my fire. And I'm going to show you the sizes to go up from. So about a pencil lead, just start your fire. And then you'd hop to a pencil-ish, and then a thumb. And I'm going to start my fire with a ferro rod and a tool sharpener and cotton balls. And yeah, let's build a fire. Okay, so what you want to do is, this is a Vaseline cotton ball, soap cotton ball, and what you want to do is just pry at it to get at all the dry stuff. So there's my dry stuff. So I'm going to put it in here, just in the middle of that. Make sure my dry stuff is there. And then I'm going to take my ferro rod and my tool sharpener. I'm going to strike it, and it will hopefully catch a flame. So just let that burn a bit and add some of this little stuff on. So break it up. Just add it. Normally I would make a teepee-ish. So if you can tell, I'm making like a teepee-ish, so the flame can stay under it. So I just put my pencil lead sized wood in to start my fire, and then I added my pencil sized wood and then my thumb sized wood. So I'll get back to you when it's done burning, and I'm going to add more. So I added my next layer of wood. So that's burning good, so get back to you again. So I added my next layer of wood, and I'm just going to let this burn down a bit so I can make my potatoes. So into coals. So I'll get back to you and I'll show you. Okay, so tinfoil things are potatoes. I put them in the microwave for a bit, and then I put them in the fire to finish because we don't have much time. Okay, I'm going to put the steak on now. I like the flames just touching my meat, the back of my meat, and I like to distribute my meat out to the flames evenly. I just had a water balloon fight, so that's why I had to change my shot. So I'm going to put the meat on now. So there, I just put my meat on, and I'm going to cook them approximately 3 minutes on each side, but it depends how thick your meat is. Okay, so the meat is done now, and I'm going to take it off. Okay, so I have the meat right there. I like the meat personally, bloody-ish. So I'll show you in the house how the inside. Okay, the potatoes are ready. It's hot. I like these. I like them like those. Those are a little blunt. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this piece of meat and show you how I like it. That's how I like it. So now I'll cut this piece of meat. That's how I like it too. You can see better on this side. Okay, thank you very much, and like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.